Daisies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to share with you how I am creating a candy arrangement using all items from the Dollar Tree. Very inexpensive, great for kids or someone who loves candy, but I'm personally making this for my daughter and decided to share it with you. So what you'll need to do this are 3 bouquets of roses. I have 4 here, but I only ended up using 3. I got this cute little flowers and garden bin from the Dollar Tree as well. I thought it was super cute. A pack of foam, dry foam, some craft sticks, a cute balloon, and your candy bars of choice. So these are her favorite chocolate bars. And then I got some blow pops just for fillers in case I needed to add those in. So the first thing I'm going to do is place my dry foam in the bottom of my bin. Now, because of the shape of this container, I had to actually cut the pieces on the edges to make them fit. I'm taking my bouquet of roses and just cutting the stems off of them to make single pieces. So I'm going to alternate the roses around the bucket, going from red to pink, and I'm just sticking the stem inside of the dry foam. Next, I'm taking my craft sticks and I'm going to glue them to the back of the candy bars, only about 1/4 of the way down. Now for the Hershey's bars, I ended up using 2 sticks because of the length and the weight of those. So for the fun part, I am taking my candy bars and pushing the popsicle sticks into the foam, the same as I did for the flowers, except for I'm sticking these in the middle and kind of arranging them according to height. And the last little touch is this cute air balloon that I thought was perfect. It says I love you, and it just gives it some extra height. So from the top of this arrangement, you can see the foam, and you definitely don't want that. So I'm going to use some shredded paper in the color pink just to cover up that foam. So I'm just sticking it in between all of the open holes so that now when you look down on it, it actually looks like a put together arrangement and you don't see the flower foam. And this is it, my candy arrangement for Valentine's Day. I think it turned out really cute. It's such a cute little idea for anyone who loves candy, but especially for kids. My daughter has grown to the point where she just loves candy. We're over the stuffed animal and blanket phase, thankfully. Don't need any more of those. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, Daisies.